to have a network for 100 nodes, is it really necessary to use prefix number 24? No, because you can have 200 in your network. So that's big. You don't need that much big room. Can we just go and sit in the middle of the streets? No, it's not covered. Is that right or no? So it's not always good to sit somewhere big. It must be suitable for us. Not that big, not that small. So if you're going to have 200 nodes in your network, with these methods, you should use prefix number 20. You need to find out how to scale your network. You don't, try to memorize it here.
There we can also say that network address is lowest and the broadcast is highest on that point.
Yeah, that's correct. The first one will give you the network address. The first one, the beginning of the rope. The beginning of the rope is the network address. The bigger value the biggest value in the rope will give you the broadcast address that you're going to hand it again, so you can't use it. So you can just use the space between these two. So that's simple. So if you use that.
Sorry. If a number of prefixes is less than 24, how you can solve?
Yes, you can use the other one. You can use the other one.
For example,
128 and power of 2. We're talking about position.
Sorry. The blue color number is there for what?
We've got 32 bits that apart from 2 on the power of 0, 2 on the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That would be your first offset. But the value of this one is still 128 on top of 2. Calculate it. It will give you something. And it means that you can have that much big in your network.
I think you don't understand.
It's like, so what was your question? If the prefix was more than...
No,
Suppose 19, suppose plus 19.
Suppose the prefix is 19.
Yeah, 19.
So it means that you've got 19 ones on the left side and the rest could be anything. Much more bigger items.
Sorry, this number depends on what? For example, you mean...
wait, did you get your answer? No.
But I think you're going to
You've
go back.
got a slide here, yeah.
Yeah, you're going to go back.
We don't have a slide here.
I think it's,
Can you remember the decimal things? And something, it will be 1 grade more than that one. It will be 2 grades more than that one. 3 grades more than that one. So if you want to plot it with 3, you can say that would be Can you say that would be 1 to 11? No. Well, is that right? Is that right in decimal things? So it's the same for decimal, yes. It's the same for binary.
can we just
It's you've got more nodes
I
there.
understand. Can we go to 6.2.2 on the Cisco page?
How can I navigate? 6 to
On the very end, if you go all the way to the right, or maybe, one more slide. So, and then hit new values. Oh, no, that one's less than 24. Can we do this exercise together?
Yeah, you're going to work on it.
Okay.
You're going to work on it.
Because this was the one that, I know, when it's less than 24, it's a bit confusing for me as well.
It's confusing for me also.
Ah, shit, okay, I'm leaving. I'm just kidding.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
It's not confusing.
It's not confusing, but you have to.
Then the position, the number of bits that you have to specify in your to your host is longer.
Yeah, no, that I understand. That I understand. I'm just wondering the broadcast. The broadcast.
Sorry to interrupt. I know that that's so important for you. It's important for me also, and I'm sure that you're going to use it. But let's just finish the slide,
Yeah,
and we can
absolutely.
have the break. Then we've got time to work on that part also. Okay? It is important, but I showed you that. You're going to work on it.
No, yeah.
What is your question?
So this red color, it means that we can use it for hot. Okay, let it be, we understand it. But the blue one,
That's your
for
network.
what?
Network.
That's your network.
For example, my country, my university, and my region,
The big one will be Sweden. The blue one will be Sweden. The digits in here will be different cities. So it means that you all are in Sweden because you've got the same blue item. Something like that.
Those are the ones we cannot touch as when
Yeah, you can touch, but if you change it, it will be another country. It won't
So
be
it
Sweden
means-
anymore.
So it
If
means
you want to
that,
go outside, if you want to use the router, you go to another country. So you can change that blue one, but not in your network. We're talking about our network.
Exactly, yeah.
okay, and we can decide about the prefix. We cannot so decide about prefix.
Yeah.
The network will decide.
Yeah, the quantity of the computers that you're going to have in your network will give you the idea of, I don't know which number we should use for the prefix.
Yeah, like you said, if we're gonna set up a class right now with 100 computers, if you came in and I hired you to do this, you would say, okay, Manny, I'm gonna use 25 prefix because I know you're gonna have 100 students.
Yeah, that's something like that. So it depends on the scale of your network you're going to
Okay.
find out. So can I finish that part? If you've got the prefix of 26, it means that you've got 26 on the left side, 26 ones on the left side, that would be your network, and the remaining would be 6, I think, right?
Yeah, it's the
Yeah.
same, I think.
So I think the same, and you've got 63 and you've got 31 and 2. As you can see, we're going to make the network smaller and smaller and smaller.
Yeah.
This one will be the half size of that one. The other one will be the half size of that one. Hello? Are you listening? Each of them are the half size of the other one, the one in the up. So if you're going to use number 23, according to this explanation, you can see that 255 will be double. It means that around 500. 512 exactly. And the next one would be 1028. And the next one will be 2048. And you can see that you're going to make your network bigger and bigger with using the smaller prefix. Did you get the point? So we're going to small it, so if you just put 23 here, that one will be double, and double, and double, and double. Any problem?